Step into Barcelona's bustling portside workshops, where the rhythmic tap of mallets and scent of fresh-cut wood reveal a centuries-old tradition, boat building by the sea. Here, artisans shape sleek loats and vibrant fishing boats using hand tools and age-old techniques passed down through generations. Each vessel is a living testament to Barcelona's maritime soul, crafted from local pine and oak, then painted in dazzling colors. These boats are more than transport, they're floating pieces of history, connecting the city's vibrant present to its rich seafaring past.